A non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. The right answer is option A, graphite. Leukemia is a disease which is related with what? The correct answer is option B, blood. The most densest substance on the earth, option A, platinum, option B, copper, option C, steel, option D, ozone. Option D is the right answer. Which of the following is most elastic? Option A, glass, option B, steel. Option B, steel is the right answer. The stone formed in the human kidney consists mostly of option A, calcium oxalate, जो कि इसका सही आंसर है. Oxygenated blood reaches the heart by. The correct answer is option B, pulmonary vein. Which among the following diseases is not sexually transmitted? The correct answer is option B, hepatitis. Atome is the unit of measurement of what? Option A, depth of water. इसका सही आंसर है option A. The procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating urea from it is called option C, dialysis is right answer. It is possible to recognize a person in the dark by simply hearing his unique voice. This is because of the pitch. The correct answer is option A, pitch. The metal which can be extracted from the bauxite ore is correct answer is option C, aluminum. Vaccine for rabies was discovered by. The correct answer is option C, Pasteur. Which among the following is iron ore? The correct answer is option C, hematite. The ability of material to be drawn into the wires is known as option A, ductility is the right answer. Which among the following has the largest wavelength? The correct answer is option C, infrared light. How many single bonds are present in methane? The correct answer is option D, 3. Water helps in metabolism process in the presence of what? The right answer is option D, with enzymes. Entomology is the science which deals with. The right answer is option C, insects. In which form glucose is stored in the liver? The correct answer is option D, glycogen. Which metal is used generally for the filament of electric bulbs? The correct answer is option D, tungsten. Hydrogen and oxygen are diffusing under the similar conditions. How much hydrogen gas will diffuse more? The correct answer is option A. An object is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 20 meters per second. How much time it will take to reach the highest point? The correct answer is option A. Which is the chemical unit of energy? The correct answer is option C. Sound is measured by units that are called. The right answer is option B, decibels. A free falling drop of rainwater acquires the spherical shape. This is because of. The right answer is option B, surface tension. The source of sun's energy is the process of. The right answer is option C, nuclear fusion. An imaginary line passing through the centers of curvature in the pole is known as option A, principal axis is the right answer. The Latin name of gold is option A, argentium, option B, natrium, option C, aurum. Option C is the right answer. Using a high current fuse in a low current appliance is very dangerous. Option B is the right answer. The James Webb Space Telescope was launched from which country? The right answer is option D, France. Gamma rays shows the greatest similarity with the option A, alpha rays, option B, beta rays, option C, X rays. Option C is the right answer. Chlorophyll, a pigment found in the leaves of most green plants, absorbs the which spectrum of light. The right answer is option C, red and blue. The xylem in the plants are responsible for what? Option A, transport of water is right answer. Which line separates outer space and atmosphere of Earth? The correct answer is option B, mesophline. The vitamin which can be most easily synthesized in the human body is option D is right answer. The beta particles are the fast moving what? The correct answer is option B, electrons. Battery thermal unit is equal to how many joules? The correct answer is option C. What Enrico Fermi invented? Option A, X-ray machine. Option B, Vitron. Option C, cyclotron. Option D, nuclear reactor. Option D is right answer. Rearing of honeybees for honey production is called option A, sericulture. Option B, apiculture. Option B is right answer. Penicillin is used to fight what type of infections? Option A, bacterial infections is right answer. Which metal is added to steel to make it a stainless steel? The right answer is option A, chromium. Who first measured the velocity of light? Option A, Einstein. Option B, Newton. Option C, Olaus Rumor. Option C is right answer. Calculus was invented by option A, Cosme. Option B, Pythagoras. Option C, Isaac Newton. Option C, Isaac Newton is right answer. Which of the following is called the king of chemicals? The right answer is option D, sulfuric acid. What is used in physics in fire extinguishers? The right answer is option D, carbon dioxide. Overhead electric wires are kept loose because they can break in very cold weather due to the right answer is option C, contraction. What type of lens forms real images? The right answer is option A, convex lenses. Electricity generated by power stations is distributed through large network of cables is known as. Correct answer is option B, national grid. Carbon dating is a useful method to find out the option A, structure of bosses. Option B, age of bosses. Option B is right answer. Guitar is one of the abnormalities due to the deficiency of which hormone? The right answer is option B. A projector uses how many convex lenses? The right answer is option B, 2 lenses. What type of infection is tuberculosis? The correct answer is option B. In a very low temperature, which from the following will freeze at least? Option C, seawater is the right answer. Which hormone is known as the emergency hormone in our body? Option A is the right answer. Oxidation is a chemical reaction involving the option B, loss of electronics is the right answer. Biosensor is an instrument used to measure the SST option A, blood glucose level. For proper formation of teeth, which is essential? Option A, iodine. Option B, copper. Option C, fluorine. Option C is the right answer. Artificial satellites are monitored by setups called SST. Option C, ground stations. During the winter in cold countries, what is mixed to melt the ice on the icy roads? Option A, salt is the right answer. Friction can be reduced by changing over from option A, sliding to rolling is the right answer. Long side defect could be corrected by using the which lenses? Option B, concave lenses is the right answer. Which part of the human body is most affected by hepatitis C? Option B, liver is the right answer. Hansen's disease is more commonly known as option B, leprosy is the right answer. The formula for ozone is option A, O3 is the right answer. Acid rain is caused by the oxides of what? Option D, sulfur and nitrogen is the right answer. Which of the following layers make the radio transmission possible? Option B, ionosphere is the right answer. In winter, an iron pipe feels colder than a wooden window. This is because wood is option B, non-conductor is the right answer. Who proposed this concept that all motions are relative? इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, Albert Einstein. Red blood corpuscles are formed in the option B, bone marrow is the right answer. What is the smallest unit of heredity? इसका सही आंसर है option B, gene. When a star becomes singular in a zero volume and infinite density is known as option E, black hole is the right answer. Animal which captures and readily kills living animals for its food is called option C is the right answer. The principle used in radar is same as that of sonar. In radar we use radio waves, whereas in sonar we use ultrasonic waves.